Let's now talk about the other victim, the immune system. So histamine and the menopause, oh, very, very common in menopause that we start to develop more allergies. Like, I think one of the most common things is women saying, I just suddenly can't eat shellfish. And I go, yeah, that's our histamine levels elevating in menopause. So we can get quite a lot of allergies, hives, itching, and digestive issues, like we were saying, can be this buildup of histamine. So histamine is an immune response. The body produces an enzyme called diamine oxidase to keep histamine in check. But SIBO, remember that SIBO actually inhibits the body from producing the enzyme. And too much estrogen, because we're not processing it, decreases DAO production. So there's this real sort of hand-in-hand connection between the histamine and SIBO and menopause. So when we have too much estrogen, so remember our triangle and the victims, estrogen will stimulate mast cells, which are our immune system response in the gut, to make more histamine. More histamine leads to more estrogen production. So this is a vicious cycle. So it's a horrendous cycle. Now, it's not even just like we've talked about hives, but one of the things I see the most is like rashes, just weird rashes coming under eyes, like on weird parts of the body. It's not psoriasis, it's not eczema, it's just this weird skin stuff that's really, really common. And itching. So many women talk about itching. And that it's really, really common, especially when they start on the HRT, because of this estrogen histamine connection. So we have to be talking about gut health in menopause.